Hey everyone! Quick question for you. Have you heard about the biggest AI and space stock market event that could completely reshape Wall Street? We're talking about SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic, three of the most talked about technology companies on the planet, all preparing for public market debuts that could be worth a combined $3.6 trillion. That's roughly the entire GDP of France. If you haven't heard about this yet, stay till the end because this story gets absolutely wild. Now, here's the crazy part. None of these companies are being valued based on what they earn today. Investors are being asked to bet on what these companies could become tomorrow. Let's start with SpaceX. Elon Musk's space giant isn't just launching rockets anymore. It operates Starlink, which now serves more than 10 million subscribers across 160 countries. Falcon 9 is already the most launched orbital rocket in history, while Starship remains the centerpiece of SpaceX's long-term vision for Mars and future space infrastructure. Then there's OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. As of early 2026, ChatGPT has crossed 900 million weekly active users. Its annualized revenue exploded from around $2 billion in 2023 to more than $20 billion by the end of 2025. And don't overlook Anthropic. Its Claude AI assistant is becoming a major force in enterprise software. Reports suggest annualized revenue has surpassed $44 billion, and the company may be on track to post its very first operating profit during the second quarter of 2026. When are these IPOs expected? SpaceX is closest, with a public filing already submitted and a potential listing around June 12th. OpenAI is targeting a late 2026 debut, while Anthropic is aiming for around October. But here's where things become shocking. SpaceX is targeting a valuation between $1.75 and $2 trillion. OpenAI could be worth up to $1 trillion. Anthropic is aiming for around $900 billion. For comparison, even NVIDIA, one of the world's most profitable AI companies, trades at a much lower revenue multiple than what SpaceX is asking investors to pay. So why are investors willing to spend this much money? Because they're not buying current profits. They're buying a story. SpaceX's story is a future powered by reusable rockets and global satellite internet. OpenAI's story is reaching artificial general intelligence before anyone else. Anthropic's story is becoming the trusted AI platform for industries like healthcare, finance, and law. But there are risks too. SpaceX gives Elon Musk overwhelming voting control. OpenAI's unique corporate structure still raises questions about governance. And all three companies are asking public investors to buy in after early backers have already enjoyed massive gains. The biggest question is whether public markets can absorb more than $200 billion in new IPO demand. If these launches succeed, 2026 could become the biggest IPO year ever. But if even one of them struggles, it could force investors to rethink trillion-dollar AI valuations across the entire market. So here's the takeaway. AI may absolutely be the future. But even the right company can become a bad investment if the price is too high. What do you think? Would you buy SpaceX, OpenAI, or Anthropic at these valuations? Let me know in the comments. And if you love staying ahead of the biggest AI tech and innovation stories before everyone else, make sure to subscribe to Patch Pulse for the latest tech updates every single day.